Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can enable birthday notifications in your Facebook. So if you're missing out on birthdays of your friends, then you can simply enable your Facebook notifications for birthdays. So let's see how to do this. First, you need to click on these three horizontal lines present at the top right corner of your screen. Then once you have clicked here, then you need to click on the settings gear icon. Once you have clicked here, you will be landed into the settings and privacy page. You need to scroll down and you can see this notifications option right here. Click on the notifications and you can see that currently the birthdays notifications are off. Click on the birthdays and all you need to do is click on this toggle to allow notifications on Facebook. And now you can choose to receive any of these notifications, which include push notifications, email notifications and SMS notifications for your friends' birthdays. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.